Optimism, an Ethereum Layer 2 network, announced a private token sale of around 116 million OP tokens worth $157 million with 7 purchasers as per its governance platform update. Optimism Foundation has announced plans for several transactions totaling around 116 million OP tokens with 7 purchases subject to a 2-year lockup where they delegate the tokens to third parties for governance. The funds will come from the unallocated portion of the foundation's token treasury, which is part of its original working budget of 30% of the initial OP token supply. CryptoSlate's data shows that news of the sales has negatively impacted the OP token. The foundation has $1.235 billion worth of assets in its treasury. The Optimism DAO has been rewarded with 19 million OP tokens worth around $26 million as part of a third airdrop campaign. The tokens were distributed across 31,000 addresses to users who delegated tokens to support the protocol's governance. Despite this, the total value of assets logged on the blockchain network rose by 4% to $2.62 billion during the reporting period, with Optimism controlling around 25% of the market share among Ethereum-based Layer 2 networks. In spite of the company's announcement that it will reduce such loans to zero in December 2022, Tether, the biggest stablecoin issuer in the cryptocurrency market, has seen an increase in its stablecoin lending or secured loans in 2023. Tether stated in its most recent quarterly report that as of June 30th, its assets or compromised loans of $5.5 billion, up from $5.3 billion in the prior quarter. The recent increase in stablecoin lending, according to a Tether representative, was brought on by a few short-term loan requests from customers with whom the company has cultivated long-standing relationships. The corporation intends to reduce such loans to zero by 2024, the representative added. Tether has increased its secured loans, allowing customers to borrow USDT in exchange for collateral. However, these loans have faced controversy due to lack of transparency between the collateral and borrowers. Tether reported $3.3 billion in surplus reserves in September, up from $250 million in 2022. In response, Tether defended the concerns about stablecoin loans, stating that the company's $3.3 billion excess equity and potential $4 billion yearly profit make offsetting the loans and retaining profits within the balance sheet. Tether remains committed to removing the secured loans from its reserves. Since 2023, XRP has seen a significant increase in trading volume, surpassing all other alternative coins. This surge is due to a July court decision that XRP is not an unregistered security, boosting its popularity among traders. The trading volume of XRP in the US is nearly $30 billion for the first 9 months of the year, a remarkable comeback for XRP, which was barred from many American exchanges until mid-July. Major exchanges like Coinbase, Gemini, and Kraken have relisted XRP following the ruling. XRP's growth has significantly impacted global trading, with an average daily trading volume of $462.8 million in August, 3.6 times higher than Solana's $128.4 million. This trend continues into September, with daily trading volumes averaging over $1 billion, making XRP one of the most traded cryptocurrency after Bitcoin and Ethereum. XRP's liquidity has also increased, with the market depth rising following the Ripple SEC case ruling in July. XRP's monthly average depth rose from $8 million to $12 million by early September. Despite this, XRP's price has decreased from its peak in mid-July, dropping to $0.515, although it appears poised to continue its rally. In the upcoming segment, we will update you about the following news. TerraZero teams up with Warner Records and Teddy Swims for first Intraverse PRO music experience. Robbie Williams partners with Lightcycle for Metaverse debut. Paris Fashion Metaverse by Trace Network introduces GameFi layer Zest. Stay tuned for more updates.